So you're finally ready to buy some new furniture, but you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed and you don't want to waste your money picking the wrong things. Don't worry, most people know what they want, they just need a little bit of help pulling it all together.
Welcome to the Good Room. Let's unpack the 4 biggest mistakes to avoid when buying new furniture. The first one is the wrong size. I mean, we're all a little bit guilty of this one. I'm hoping you don't end up with this, but to avoid anything even remotely like this, make sure you've got masking tape, a measuring tape, and a notebook, and actually lay out your furniture on the floor. Then walk around it, make sure you're super happy with how it looks, and measure it, write it down in your notebook, and go shopping. Do not buy a cheap sofa. This is really just jumping over the dollar to save a penny. They're boring, the foam breaks down over time, and the fabric tends to stain or wear along the edges. In 3 to 5 years, it's just going to end up in a landfill. Instead, invest in the largest piece of furniture that you use the most often instead, and look for those beautiful little details on the arms or a nice plinth, nice fabric, etc. Avoid impractical fabrics. If you've got kids and pets, they're not the problem. It's the wrong fabric. I mean, how many people can really live with a white linen sofa like this? Not many. Velvet sofa, I love them, but if you've got a cat or a dog, that's going to end up looking like a pet bed. And if you've got free-range kids like this, then you definitely need to think about what your fabric is. Go for stain-resistant fabrics, and especially ones that are textured. The more flecks of other colors that are in the fabric and the bumpier the fabric, the less it shows stain or dirt. Medium colors are also ideal because they don't show light pet fur or lint, but they also don't show the dirt. Buying everything in one weekend. We know you want it done right away, but all you end up with is furniture that's overly matched, super trendy, and uninspired. Give yourself some time. Much better to create a collection of things, even if you do it over a few months, that looks like you've done it over a few years. To watch the full video with all 10 of the biggest mistakes and a lot more detail, check them out at thegoodroom.net. We also unpack trends that you love now but may hate soon, and trends that are here to stay. And of course, we love to socialize and the opportunity to get to know you. And we are at all the usual haunts. On Instagram, we are at _goodroom. Don't forget the underscore. On Facebook, we are at The Good Room Design. And within Facebook, we have a really cool private Facebook group, which we encourage you to join because it's there that we actually chat. People post pictures, people post tips. I do sort of extensive how-to videos, and I comment on other people's photos. So it's a bit of an opportunity for some free interior design. And on Pinterest, we've got loads of cool pictures on The Good Room. Hope to see you there.